right away that my 4.92 USDT will give me 3,960 Hamster Kombat tokens. You come up and you search HMSTR. You will see it. The first one is what? Hamster USDT. So you click on it. So now you come to trade, okay? And you can now trade Hamster Kombat to USDT. Now listen to very important information, okay? Now, if you find yourself here and you don't find your assets reading, you can see my USDT reading or your Hamster Kombat reading here. What you're going to do is to click on this plus sign. Okay, click on this plus sign right here. Click on the plus sign and you can transfer from here too. When you come here, it's likely going to be in limit order. When you open it first, this is going to be like this, limit order. Please select this limit order and change it to market. How to trade and convert Hamster Kombat tokens to USDT. I know that we all are on our feet, alert and waiting for 11 more days to pass, so that we can convert our Hamster Kombat tokens to USDT or any other cryptocurrency. In this video, I will teach you how to trade and convert this new token to USDT in less than 2 minutes. But I must have to warn you that the value of most new airdrops become almost useless after 30 minutes to 1 hour of being launched and traded in centralized and decentralized crypto exchanges. What does this mean? Ensure to do exactly what I will show you in this video within the first 30 minutes to 1 hour of the listing of Hamster Kombat on the 26th of September 2024, so as to get the most monetary value out of your tokens. And please note that not all airdrops drop in value after listing or launching. Some actually maintain their value and can even go higher in value over time. Now let's begin. So straight and direct to the point, this is Bybit, and even though I'm using Bybit, this also applies to Binance or other crypto exchanges that you may want to use. I mean off-chain like Binance, Bybit, centralized exchanges. Okay, yes, I will still do a video for Telegram wallet. Okay, now if you are here and let us assume that today is 26th of September and Hamster Kombat has started trading. Now you've gone to Hamster Kombat on Telegram and you've clicked on withdraw. Now let's assume that it has arrived. Okay, you've received a notification that you've received Hamster Kombat tokens. Now what are you going to do? First thing you will do is come down to this place written assets. Bybit is almost same thing as Binance. They look the same. So this thing I'm doing right now also applies to Binance. So right here from assets, you will most likely be under account. If it's like this, you will most likely be under account. And then once you are here, what you're going to do is what? Click on assets right here. You click on assets and you will see your assets. Do you understand? Your assets are going to be here. You can see USDT, you can see Notcoin. You will also see Hamster Kombat under here. Okay, now we shall be trading Hamster Kombat to USDT. And even though Hamster Kombat has not dropped, this is the exact way that you can use and trade it. Now, when you've seen your assets right here, please, first thing you are going to do is to transfer your assets. And how are you going to transfer it? Transfer it from funding to unified trading account. You can use transfer right here, or you can click on the assets, the Hamster Kombat as it's showing right there. Once you've clicked on it, you're going to see transfer right here. You can see it. So you click on transfer. And then you will be asked what? Do you want to transfer from unified trading account to funding account? No, we are transferring from funding account to our unified trading account. So you click on this arrow in the middle here, okay? And then you can see the little USDT I have there. So I click on max. This USDT right here will be Hamster Kombat. Yes, because I'm teaching you this so that once it lists, you should rush and do this. If not, the value of Hamster Kombat may drop and all your coins may become almost useless. So you click on confirm, okay? That is Hamster Kombat here, okay? Yes, so now that you've done a transfer successfully, the next thing you're going to do is to go back one step and then you click on market right here. And then on market, you come up and you search HMSTR. You will see it. The first one is what? Hamster USDT. So you click on it. And then you see that you are under charts. You click on trade. Okay. First of all, if you look, you will see all the charts. And from here, these are just an extra information. From here, you can change the duration of how you want it. 1 hour, 2 hours, 1 week, whatever. Okay. Yes, from here. So now you come to trade. Okay. and you can now trade Hamster Kombat to USDT. Now listen to very important information, okay? Now, if you find yourself here and you don't find your assets reading, you can see my USDT reading or your Hamster Kombat reading here. What you're going to do is to click on this plus sign. Okay, click on this plus sign right here. Click on the plus sign and you can transfer from here too. Okay, from funding account to your unified trading. Okay, so now we have it reading. You can now see that right away that my 4.92 USDT will give me 3,960 Hamster Kombat tokens. Okay, now this doesn't mean that this is the exact amount you are going to get. Don't get it wrong. When it lists and it starts trading, the buying and selling forces are going to determine the prices. And don't forget that there's something very important. There's something very important you need to know. When you come here, it's likely going to be in limit order. When you open it first, this is going to be like this, limit order. Please select this limit order and change it to market. Okay? If you don't change it to market, it will not execute immediately. If it stays in limits, it's going to wait for the price you selected for all these things to read. There's a way limit works. It's just a totally different topic on its own. It's going to work with the prices around here and it's going to take some time. It may execute now, it may execute later. But with market price, it goes with the current price of Hamster Kombat against USDT. So the next thing you're going to do is what? You come to this place, written quantity. You can see it. You can drag all the way to the end and say all the you want to trade how many percent? Do you want 5, 10% of your coins or 50 or 100? Let's say 100% of your coins. And you do what? You can what? Sell. Okay. You will do what? Sell to USDT. Okay. Because right now we have USDT and because Hamster Kombat is not yet available and I don't have Hamster Kombat tokens, I can only trade USDT against Hamster. Okay. But when you select Hamster token, just like I described, you are going to have USDT around here, okay, and Hamster reading up here, and that way you can select 100% of your Hamster Kombat and sell it. You sell to USDT, and instantly you are going to have your USDT. Okay, you're going to have your Hamster Kombat converted to USDT. This exact process is what applies to Binance too. Okay, if we head to Binance, when we come to Binance and you come to trade right here, you will see that the interface is almost the same as Bybit. Okay, so you click on this drop down arrow and then you search HMSTR. Okay, no record found yet. Okay, but on that day, once on the 26th, you're going to see it. Okay, you're going to see it. Yes, you're going to see Hamster Kombat. It's not reading yet. I don't know what's up with Binance. People have been trying to deposit, but people have been trying to select it and it's not working. I don't know yet, but this is exactly the same thing. You can see you click on sell, okay, and then you select what? Market order, okay, and you do what? Do your thing with this reading HMSTR/USDT, okay. Now, if you are yet to connect your Hamster Kombat to an off-chain withdrawal or on-chain withdrawal method, I made a full video explaining the details and everything you need to know before you make your decision. And that video is showing right on the screen right now. It might be here or here. So do well to watch that video and do the needful. Thank you so much for watching till this point. I really appreciate you. Like, share, and comment on my videos, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in my next video.